So there's one thing that we don't always consider when we're looking at a system like press-style PEX connections for our residential installations, and that's termination locations, things like washer boxes, shower valves, and things like that. Let's take a look at that now. So when we use Uponor, very easy to find termination locations like shower valves that have direct F1960 connections on them. That means we can connect our Uponor directly to this shower valve without the need of an adapter fitting. So in the same way, if someone's using a PEX-B system in crimp rings, you can get a crimp PEX connection onto a shower valve and connect directly to that valve with your PEX-B and your crimp system without any other adapters involved. So when someone is using press type technology, so fittings like these in their plumbing system, the problem is you can't get a shower valve that has that connection built in from the factory. So what you end up with is a valve something like this, where we're going to have to use either threaded or sweat adapters to transition to that press technology. So the way that looks is you have a press adapter that will get threaded onto the valve like this, then the pipe will go into the side, and then we make a press there. Each one of these adapters adds additional cost to the valve, as well as a potential leak path between the adapter itself and the threads on the valve. So for example, 3 adapters onto this shower valve would increase the cost of this one shower unit by $21. If we had a home with 3 showers, we're looking at an additional $63 just in adapters alone for those shower valve locations, as well as 9 potential new leak paths in that installation. So in conclusion, when we're looking at plumbing systems, it's very tempting to take individual parts and pieces and start comparing the cost of those items. But that doesn't take into account the total installed cost of the entire system, including adapters and other things that you're going to need to make that system function. We need to look at the entire system, including adapters, both the cost of those parts, the labor involved in putting those in, as well as the additional risk that every one of those adapters is going to bring to the job site. At the end of the day, an Uponor logic system with direct F1960 connections to your termination locations is going to be the best choice for your residential builds.